This is how I hit my first 500 subscribers on YouTube. I first created a channel about something I love and something others can benefit on. This just so happened to be Five Nights at Freddy's, and more in particular, tutorials showing people how to make certain things Five Nights at Freddy's related that they've always wanted to make. My first piece of content I posted on this YouTube channel was a YouTube short about my Five Nights at Freddy's body mask, which has almost 40,000 views, and I've gained almost 200 subscribers from it. It took some time to get the views, but it is important to use a catchy title and use tags that correspond to your post. I also made sure to take the time to respond to every single comment and heart every single comment, because you wouldn't be anywhere without the viewers and subscribers that help support you. I would create posts on the community page to show my progress and updates and ways to communicate with my subscribers, fans, and viewers. I would ask questions and create polls to ask them what kind of content they would like to see and what characters I would like to make next. I've created a lot of special connections with my subscribers, and it's amazing to see the familiar faces comment on my videos. As you can see, I've gained nearly 500 subscribers and 60,000 views in 1 month. It is important to be consistent and communicate to the supporters of your channel. I also want to take the time to thank everyone for 500 subscribers. This has been absolutely amazing, and I just started this channel a little over a month ago, and it has grown so quick. I have great plans for the future, and I am so glad y'all are here to witness it.